Well, good afternoon, everybody. It is Thursday afternoon, and look what we've got here. Everybody's down at the pig pens here. We got some new additions here, and of course, as you can see, where we're at, all the dogs are around, but wow, look at this. The first two piglets right here.
All male.
All male so far.
And this is the first one.
Yeah, wow, and huge. Look at the size.
Yeah.
And the second one there, a little bit smaller.
No, it's not small.
But still, really good size, very good size. And of course, everybody, there's the mom, right there. And all morning, Ondoy and Doro have been, yeah, Doro there, and Ondoy here. And they've been building this more or less cage here. We can put the piglets in outside the room where the mom is at. And if I back up here a little bit, you can kind of see oh yeah, look at, yeah, and the dogs are down here drinking water, and they built this stand. This was actually one of the blue water tanks right here that cracked. So we basically wired it up and and we've been using it here for the piglets, and that for quite some time now. But we kind of expected that it was going to be pretty soon, and wow, yeah. And mom here. So everybody's
watching.
Everybody's gathered around here. This is the slow process. Sometimes it takes, oh gosh, 10 to 12 to 14 to 16 hours for her to have all of her piglets. And we've had as few as about 8. And as many as, oh geez, what, 17, 18 piglets. So it's kind of a long, slow process for the mom. And like I said, everybody's kind of down here. We'll give you a little bit closer look. But yeah, she's huge, so we're kind of assuming that would not be surprised at all to get,
It's a lot of milk.
yeah, 10 or 12 piglets, and of course her tits are so big and so much milk, as you can see here. But it's a slow process, and now we just
The other ones are just silent.
kind of have to wait.
She's the next one.
Yeah, which one?
That one, the small one.
Oh yeah. And all of them are pregnant here, so like I said, this is going to be, we could have probably a couple of them this month. And you can see by the size of, there's our number one mom. She's had, gosh, I don't know how many litters, and of course, as big as she's looking, but they're all pregnant here. But it's been a while since we've had piglets. And of course, and like I said, there's another one. So a long, slow process. So this will be our work for the day and the rest of the day, and probably into tonight, and then it comes to feeding the piglets. and getting them so that they can feed. And be real careful the first basically 3-4 days is always the worst. But we do all this here just to simplify our process here, so that when they come, and that for Mama there, that the tail is clipped and the teeth are cut.
Yeah. It's already cut.
And that's the first thing that we do. Of course, you can see Little's here too also. She heard all the commotion in the house, so she knows that something's going on down here.
That is why shouting. Huh?
We're kind of waiting here to see if I can kind of get a live birth here. But the video cannot be long enough, probably. Like I said, you kind of got to get them at the right time. And that, because it's a process, you just got to wait. And usually the first few come fairly quickly. And it's the last 1, 2, or that
takes so long because that's our second.
Well, yeah, like I said, this can take a few short hours, or it can take 12, 14, 16 hours for her to have them all.
But at least you have a labor day.
Yeah.
It's 2 o'clock. I think it's 2 o'clock now.
Yeah, 2:30 almost. Well, Mom decided to lay down here. So I guess I kind of better end the video here. Mom's laying down, so it could be a little while in that. So. Oh, I know. The whole thing we're going to have to re-support. As you can see, the termites have, we're going to have to buy some more 2x4s, 2x6s. The termites have completely eaten up our, yeah, as you can see right there, the pig pen here. So, from the back of the camera here right now, I'm going to say goodbye, but we'll definitely back with more video as she gives birth here, and let you know how everything's going from our mom the second time around, and how many piglets we're going to get. So, yeah, like and subscribe. We enjoy all of our viewers here, and your comments as we can get to them. But until the next little one comes along here, God bless every one of you.